Hare Krishna. In the Vedic scriptures, it is said, the word of God is God Himself, and has to be taken very seriously. Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says that the Vedic literatures emanated from the breathing of the Supreme Lord. So Supreme Lord is a person, and from Him all the Vedic sound vibration is emanating. In the Bible also it is said, in the dawn of creation there was word of God, and that word is God, it is said. So one disciple quoted this to Prabhupada, that it is said like this in Bible. Prabhupada said, that's a very good thing. Because Prabhupada says, we say the same thing. In the dawn of creation there was tapa. The two letters were heard by Brahma. Did Brahma see the person? No. But he knew that it is emanating from the lips of a person who is giving him the instruction. So Brahma need not have to even see the person, but hearing and following the instruction is more important than even seeing the person. Like when Prahlad was in the womb of his mother, he didn't see his guru, Narada. Did he see? No. But he heard his instruction and faithfully followed, and he got the vision of Lord Narasimhadeva subsequently. So, therefore, the instructions offered by Guru or Krishna should be taken with utmost seriousness, and they should be faithfully followed. The instruction that Lord or Guru gives, or the promises that we make for Guru, to the degree you take it seriously, to that degree the spiritual gift you receive will benefit you. For example, one Guru gave Gaurnitai disciple and Gaurnitai deities to 3-4 disciples. So one disciple, as soon as the Grihastha disciple received the Gaurnitai deity at home, they made a very big, beautiful altar, although they were poor people. They made a beautiful altar, they celebrated gorgeous festivals. They spent all their money to get clothes for them, outfits and ornaments for them, offered bhoga to them, and called the neighborhood people and put up classes and kirtans, and they progressed tremendously in their spiritual life. They made hundreds of devotees, they made. And amongst those 3-4 people to whom he gave Gaurnitai, some of them, handed it over to their children to worship. And they didn't have time, they were busy making money. And some of them kept the Gaurnitai deity inside a box and the cupboard. They said, we have no time, Guruji has given a big burden. We won't be able to maintain. So the Gaurnitai deities were given, same model deities were given to 4 families, but then they received the gift given by Guru with different mindsets. That in the same manner, Gaurnitai is Lord Krishna Balaram. The word of Guru or word of Krishna is scriptures. That is also order of the Lord, that is not different from Krishna. Similarly, the Guru gives the gift of the holy name at the time of Diksha. Divyam Jnanam Jato Dadyat Kuryat Papasya Sankshayam. So he gives Divya Jnan, transcendental knowledge, and then he gives the transcendental holy name. And the holy name should be taken seriously, because that is the one going to cleanse our heart. Kuryat Papasya Sankshayam. We have to follow the 4 regulative principles strictly and chant the holy name. These 2 are the cleansing agents. And there are disciples who argue why Guru is not there to answer all my questions, why he is not taking personalized care of me. But if you look at the Vedic literatures, Vedavyas is sitting in the bank of the holy river. Once in a blue moon, Narada comes to sit with him and talk to him. Mrigari got initiation, and he and his wife became great devotees, and Narada comes once in a blue moon to visit him. It's not that Guru is around the clock available at your beck and call. Come here, answer my questions. No. They give initiation and then they go away. You find Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took initiation from Ishwarapuri. After that, where do you hear about Ishwarapuri in the Navdeep Leela or the Jagannath Puri Leela? Do you hear any time? Then he is practicing on and on and on. That means Guru initiates and goes away. The initiation is like one neutron you bombard in a nuclear reactor. He bombard and goes on, chain reaction goes on. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Lifelong one should chant after that. It's not that Guru has to take a stick and chase after you. Did you complete your 16 rounds? Send me your sadhana card. body score, soul score. Correct? Guru is not expected to do all this. If he gives initiation, it is understood that he has initiated and gone. After that, it is up to you. If you take it seriously, you get the spiritual benefit. If you don't take it seriously, you don't get the benefit. Just like I told you, the Gauranatai deity was given to 4 families. One family took it seriously, so they gained immense spiritual benefits. Other family kept the deities in the cupboard in a box. They didn't derive any benefit. Just like when the rain falls, for example, on a hot frying pan, it just evaporates. Is it not? Or if it is falling on the mud, it becomes muddy. Or if the raindrop, during the Swati rain, if it falls in a sippy or a seashell, it closes and then it goes into the ocean and goes round and round. After many years, when it comes out and opens, there is a pearl inside. Similarly, the disciple who receives the instruction of Guru captures it and then goes into the world and renders book distribution, preaching, doing this service, that service, everything. After many years, when you see the heart of the disciple is filled with realizations, pearl-like realizations, because the devotee has faithfully executed the instruction. And if we don't faithfully follow the instruction or don't chant the holy name faithfully, don't follow the 4 regulative principles, we neglect it and become careless, then we don't derive any transcendental benefit. Somebody may say, why after so many years I am not advanced? Why did I fall down? Guru didn't take care of me. No, Guru cannot be blamed. He already took care of you by giving you initiation, by giving you instruction, giving Prabhupada books, giving you the ISKCON movement. He has given you the deities. He has given you everything necessary for you to go back to Godhead. But if you didn't take it seriously, that's whose problem? Your problem. Doctor diagnosed you, he told you what's your disease, he gave you the medicine, and he told you go home and take the medicine regularly. You kept it in the cupboard and locked it, you never took the medicine. Whose problem? It's our problem. So therefore, in the path of spiritual life, the daily morning program is, Prabhupada has offered it to us in the Guru Parampara, especially in ISKCON society. And that is epitomized by 2 very important vital activities, which is chanting of the holy name and hearing the holy fame, Srimad Bhagavatam. So if these 2 medicines are taken very attentively and carefully by the devotees, and that is going to cleanse our heart and uplift us and make us pure devotees one day. So, and we should not expect that anybody will give anything more than this. Nobody can be blamed for our lack of seriousness. Nobody can be blamed for our casual behavior in spiritual life. Bharat Maharaj was such a sincere devotee. When he went to the forest, it is said, Yodus Tyajandara Sutan Suradrajyam Hridis Prishaha Jahau Yivai Vamalavat Uttamashlo Kalalasaha. This verse says that if anybody passes stool, they just don't even look at it. They throw water and go away. Like that, he gave up the kingdom, family, wealth, elephants, horses, everything, and went to the forest. Although he had great vairagya in the beginning, eventually that gradually became covered over, that type of detachment and vairagya. He got attracted to a deer, and then rest is history, So therefore, one should know that material world means we have to be alert at every moment. From the time we take initiation and up till the last breath, we should maintain our seriousness, alertness, sincerity. By this, a devotee who is faithfully practicing, only such a devotee will get the gift, ultimate spiritual gift of attaining Krishna Loka and engaging in eternal service. And the most important gift is the chanting of the holy name. I saw one devotee who was very, very casual, not completing the rounds and not chanting properly, doing multiple things. Gradually, I saw him becoming disoriented over a period of time. He got bored with spiritual activities. Now he doesn't know what to do, where to go, what to do. He's becoming very restless in the mind. He wanted to do sense gratification, but he knows that causes him trouble also. And he doesn't want to do spiritual activities also. And he is becoming moment after moment restless. Of course, you can be restless for searching after Krishna, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was. He is restless after uncontrolled mind. And the reason for that uncontrolled mind is he didn't chant properly. If you chant properly and hear the Bhagavatam regularly, you will be the most happy person in the world. Because nashta prayeshu abhatreshu nityam bhagavat sevaya. I told him, your Guru has given you initiation, has given you the holy name, here is the Bhagavatam, why don't you sit and do it? No, my mind is wandering, I don't know what to do. He's just restless. And he's running here, there, nowhere he is happy. So we have to be careful, because then Kali Yuga is full of mental patients. 75% of the Kali Yuga population is crazy. Prabhupada said in the West, if you put Google search, you will find 38% of people are going to psychiatrists in the first world countries where they have so much money, so much affluent facilities. So mind can make a crazy monkey out of us if you don't take the instructions of Guru seriously. That means materially and spiritually. If you want to be happy, we have to take the instructions to our heart, and we have to be alert till the last breath, and we have to faithfully execute the promises we have made for the Guru, and that will assure us the ultimate transcendental gift of going back home, back to Godhead. Harinam Prabhu ki